Hi there, my name is Linda Holden. I'm the Dean for the School of Transportation and the School of Manufacturing and Automation. Wanted to talk to you today about the great things that are happening across both of our schools. In the School of Transportation, we have a new 2-year trade diploma that we've launched this fall. It's in Transportation and Heavy Equipment. This 4-semester 2-year diploma is trades-based applied learning diploma. And what it does is allows our graduates to challenge all of the apprenticeship period exams, including the Journey Person exam. So really exciting things happening in the apprenticeship and trades areas. In our School of Manufacturing and Automation, we also have 2 new trade diploma programs. One is welding and fabrication, and the other one is machining technology. So both of these are again a 2-year, 4-semester program, and it will allow our students to challenge their apprenticeship period exams as well as the Journey Person exams at the end. So really excited about that applied learning trade diploma. Again, there are 2 new diplomas in that area. We also want to let you know about our targeted enrollment expansion program. So that applies to our aviation program. So we've nearly doubled the number of seats in our aviation programs, aircraft maintenance, aircraft structures, and avionics programs. So very excited about that. Along with the targeted expansion, we've included some renovations to the Art Smith Aero Centre campus, which is at the Calgary International Airport. So really excited that we now have a lot more room to accommodate these new folks coming and joining us in our aviation programs. What I tell prospective students when they are considering applying for a program in either the School of Transportation or Manufacturing and Automation is the employment rates. We have exceptionally high employment rates in both of our schools. So the School of Transportation last year had 100% training-related employment rate. So this is spectacular. Manufacturing and Automation, it was in the mid-80s, 85th, 87th percentile in terms of training-related employment. So a high-demand, skilled workforce is what employers are looking for right now. So if you want a job, you come to SAIT. You know, if you want that career, that quick uptake in a career in 2 years or less, you can get it here at SAIT.
Hello, my name is Dr. Reva Bond, and I'm the Dean for the School of Construction here at SAIT. We actually have a new major in our Civil Engineering Technologies program, and it's called Virtual Design Construction, VDC. And that's where our students are going to learn the 3D software and all the data collection and filing and ability to run different reports that ultimately could be information that informs AI or other aspects of construction sites that we just haven't had the capability to do in the past. We've got so many fabulous industry partners. TechTerra is an organization that wanted to partner with SAIT because they know that geomatics industry is short on talent. And they are launching a huge campaign with scholarships. And so for anyone who's thinking about engineering technology, check out geomatics and have a look at those opportunities. You could be one of the lucky ones that actually has your tuition covered. We also have a Bachelor of Science degree in the School of Construction. So not a lot of people know about it. It is a niche degree. It was designed with industry for industry. And so for any of those students that have a hard time convincing mom and dad why they should go to SAIT, you can earn a Bachelor of Science in Construction Project Management at SAIT. And in your 3rd year of studies, we send you on an internship, and most of those internships turn into full-time employment. There's a lot going on. Construction is absolutely ripe for disruption. Somebody who wants to solve problems, has an entrepreneurial mindset. This is a great industry for you to consider taking one of our applied programs in and getting your foot in the door faster than perhaps you could from a university degree. Everyone is hiring. Every conversation I enter into recently, they're looking for talent. They're looking for folks with those technical skills. The workforce is aging. Over 50% of the workforce will be retiring in the next 10 years. So it's a really great time to get into the industry, get a mentor, learn from their experience, and then apply your tech skills, your communication skills, everything that you're going to learn here at SAIT into those roles. Construction has so many roles. There's estimators, designers, coordinators, and most of our diploma programs prepare you to be an engineering technologist, which is somebody who works with engineers to solve problems. They're typically the people who have the highest technical skills on the job site. They might be preparing the drawings, they might be running asset reports in the software, they're collecting data, they're creating images, and all of that information is what we need to build buildings.
My name is Dale Hansen. I'm the Dean of the MacPhail School of Energy at the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology. From a young person looking ahead at what their career could be, and looking at their skill set of maybe being one of being STEM oriented, scientifically competent, good at math, perhaps a career on the technical side of the energy industry is a place to look at, and that's inclusive of renewables, of nuclear, of potentially hydrogen in the very near future, but also inclusive of oil and gas in the sense that that will be required for a time to come in terms of providing us the energy that we need. And so the opportunity, as I see it, for a scientifically minded young person who is oriented towards the idea of innovation and the idea of solving significant societal problems, maybe there's no better career that could be had than one in the energy industry. And I've talked to people who work in the energy industry that came from outside specifically to apply their scientific knowledge in trying to solve some of these big challenges. Comments I've heard from people in the energy industry that really know the details of what is happening in the innovation space is that energy transition, as it's come to be called, is the biggest economic opportunity of this millennium. Another one is that 50% of the technologies required to decarbonize our energy system don't yet exist. And so you put these ideas together again with the idea that the world needs abundant, affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy in order to function as well as it can. For me, it makes for a really exciting career. And so coming to SAIT's MacPhail School of Energy gives students an opportunity to learn energy education across the whole energy system and all aspects of that system in a hands-on way that really prepares them for the world of work in this exciting industry.